Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F54 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game's not visible in your Google Play Store. When you have the same situation as mine, you search your game as Mobile Legends, you have it, but you can't install it. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and there tap on our photo on the right corner, where we have settings option. In it, family and parental controls. Now we have page 3. To install game as Mobile Legends, Call of Duty or Teamfight Tactics, we need more page than 3. Maybe all, maybe 16, maybe 18, I don't remember. But you can set all page. To do it, we click there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, confirm by OK, and we have allow all include underrated. To change to it, we press there and confirm all by save. And that's all. We have our allow all, and we can go back to the main menu and go to the Mobile Legends games, and now we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.